Welcome to Albert's cooking class. Today we're going to cook fried eggs. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Maybe you'll learn something today. Okay, this is going to be my cooking video. How to cook eggs. Need a hot skillet, about 80%. Fresh eggs from the chickens. Some butter. Whoa, got away from me. That's a blooper. Look at that nice butter. Yeah. Give me a good layer of butter in here. Right. I'm videoing in here. Homegrown eggs. And I take the eggs and I put them in a Ziploc bag so I can throw them away. If you don't put them in a Ziploc bag, throw them in the trash, they stink. You don't want that to happen. Now I take an egg and I tap it twice, crack it open. And when I pour an egg, I pour it like this. I don't dump it straight down because if you dump it straight down, the shells fall out too. Hold the crack open at the top and let the egg roll out. Need more room. Normally I get 5 up here. That one just burst. Salt. Salt. A little pepper. Gotta have my pepper. Pepper helps your food digest. You wait till the egg clear part. Wait till the clear part, like this clear here, turns white. That looks kind of milky still. You want it to turn white before you flip it. Get my splash buttered. I take it just real quick, flip it right over. See, these two got together, trying to make babies. It ain't gonna happen. And see the egg, how offset it is? The yellow's off to one side. You want to flip it, so you flip, that's the short side. You don't want to flip it this direction, because then the yellow's got a long way to go and it'll bust. You flip it that way. It's like that, just that way the yellow don't have far to go. So like this one right here, yellow down that way. This was already busted, so it don't matter. Ah, look at that. I'm hungry already. Good eating. They're ready. That's it. That's how you cook fried eggs. Here you are, my lady.
Thank you, dear.
Now, let's do this again. Now I want to eat some. Butter. Cook it in butter. If you turn your grill up too high, the butter will turn brown on you. If your eggs and butter is turning brown, that means you got the butter heat too high. 2 taps. Crack it. Pour the egg out from the top down. Double tap. Crack on top. When you open it, then pour it up, slide out. That way, if you got a broken, oh, that one's gonna break. I saw that one. The eggshell, top of the eggshell, cut it. It don't want to come out. If you let it sit on the edge real quick before you throw it in quick, it'll try to stay right there. You just pour it on fix, it'll run. There you go. That one's a little watery. You do get sometimes that's watery. Come on now, let's turn the heat back up. It's not cooking. Crack. Open. Let it slide out. Oh, what's that? What's that? Yeah. White stuck in that one. All right, that's my 5. Salt. Pepper. It all blends. It all goes together. Right? Good. Cut it up open. You can separate them. I want this clear part to turn white before I flip it. My grill's 4 or 5 years old, so it doesn't get as hot as it used to. That's white. Flip it on the short side. I want to keep the yellow close to the grill at all times. That way it don't burst. Got the white folded on that one. This one, the yellow's this direction. Go that way. Got pepper in my nose. Ah! All right, pepper in my nose. Yeah, that's it. Depends on how dark you want them. Turn the grill off. Always unplug it. Cook 9 eggs. Just like that. Just like that. That's my breakfast. 5 eggs. 5 eggs for breakfast. Nana's having 4. Capo's having 9. Clean my grill up later. All right. Take my eggs. Ziploc bag. Got enough room in there. Put the Mars in there. I'll sit them over here in the corner. I'll cook them tomorrow. Put my butter up. Save that for tomorrow. And that's it. That's how you fry eggs. Have a nice day. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see future videos, please consider clicking on the QR code and buy me a cup of coffee. Help support the channel. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell so you can see future videos as they come out. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.